I made this video in less than 10 minutes. Watch this and see. Yeah. Beautiful. Wow. Welcome back. I'm going to teach you how to create this long thread dance using free tools. No paid subscription, no paid app. What you are going to use is just your phone or your laptop. The tools you are going to use are free, 100% free of charge. Make sure you watch this video to the ending. I'm going to show you the mistake so many creators make that reduce the quality of their video before you post. Let's move into the teaching right now. The first app we are going to use is our ChatGPT. Go to your ChatGPT app. I have a prompt character that I'm going to use to generate this African baby girl, the animated girl. So this is the prompt. And I asked ChatGPT to create the prompt for us. At the end, I added, let the ratio be 16:9. Wow, this is gracious. You just tap on it and click on the save here. Come over to your TikTok app. This is my TikTok. On the search bar, you type Igbo dance video. I need a human being personality that it will be real. I'll click on this video to download it into my file. I have a video I have posted on my channel on how to download video from TikTok without the watermark. You can watch it here, and this video will be displayed on the screen. Go there and watch it. The next app we are going to use is our Chrome browser and type dreamfaceapp.com. This is how the interface will be on mobile phone. If you want to use the desktop version so that you can see what you need, just click on these three dots up here, tap on this desktop site and wait for it to change the version to desktop site. Click on this mouse here, this mouse arrow, and click on ads. Make avatar perform expressive actions. You click on it. All these are the motion here it can generate. Scroll to the ending. Click on this character here. We're going to upload our image we generated already. You click on upload from local. The video we downloaded from TikTok, we are going to add it as the reference video. You tap on the reference video, upload from locals, add it here. You wait for it to upload. The reference video is showing here. So click on this advance. When you click on this advance, you can see it's saying the resolution 4080 and another resolution 720 resolution, which is for the pro, and the pro version is cheap, which you can use. It's not every time you use free things, you understand. You can also upgrade to the pro version. If you have it, you upgrade to the pro version. You see the beauty of it. So we are going to click on this create and wait for it to create it. You have to wait for 15 minutes to generate it, but if you are making use of the pro version, it's very fast. Let's see what it created for us. Beautiful. This is what I used to generate this baby dance that you watch at the beginning of this video. If you want to download it, you can see the download by the side. You click on this download and download it to your file manager. Because it's a free version, the video is not a higher resolution. So for you to make that your video to be a higher resolution, you come over to CapCut, you click on new video or new project, you bring in that your video to the CapCut and click on add. After it finished loading this way, you come down here and look for adjust. You look for this adjust and tap on this video quality. When you tap on this video quality, you click on enhance quality. You can see the before and the after effect of it. It's analyzing the video. You wait for it to analyze it, finish. It has been enhanced. So you will see this HD on the picture here. That is the higher quality. Do you see the difference of it? The quality, did you see it? Yes, this is what I'm saying of. So there is no how you will upload this your video on any of your social app and the quality will decrease. It's not possible. If you want to export it, let me tell you the secret here. You come to this AI higher quality here. You know it's on 720. That is what we just bring it to this 180 resolution. You bring the frame to this 30. Now the bit rate is 12. That is what is recommended for this video, and this is just 46 MB. The MB is not much, so you click on this export here. You see the quality here is higher now. You tap on it and check again. So this bit rate will bring it to 12. This is it, 12, and you click on done. Save it to your file. So this is one of the secrets so many creators are not showing you. With this tutorial, I hope you have gained value. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share to your friends so that they can also gain more value. Welcome to Victoria Creative Tech. I teach how to use your smartphone to generate massive income. I teach on Amazon KDP, the AI animation, the digital skills, and the creative tech. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to generate consistent characters using the AI animation. See you in my next video. Bye.